Well, getting out late, feeding the animals today. Gonna get ready to feed the goats and then work our way to the chickens and the other animals. I know, I'm late. Hold on. Let me get these guys fed, and I'll get you and your brother. These old concrete chutes as feed containers, and I gotta go in and feed her because her and Rolo gets fed separate. I'm getting it, baby. That's too much. That is too much.
Cookie.
I'm getting it. Will you open that up for me, please?
If you want Mom's goat, she whoop you. You know what I get when I yell at Mom?
Come on. Come on. Cookie, come on, baby. We'll take this feeder and take it over here by Rolo. Where is Rolo? Hi, Rolo. You ready for breakfast? Huh?
I thought he'd be more mad.
You ready for breakfast? Let me feed your girl. Come on, Rolo. Say hi, Rolo. Rolo. And Cookie. Look at the weight she put on her. No, she's not pregnant. That's weight she's put on. Says she's gotten better. Look at that tail. Oh, I love her. I love that goat so much. Of course, she's not my favorite. I just tolerate her. You can't have favorites on the farm. They have all that, all the way to the creek to munch on. I do gotta clean up more. I gotta get all this cleaned up because their barn's gonna go there. But yep, they got all that. Now we're gonna go feed the worst of the worst. And I'm telling you, you'll see why I say that. Because these guys, they're worse than pigs. And here they are. You would think that we starve these guys. That we starve them, that we don't feed them at all. But we do. So there's their food. And here they come. So this is going to be a fight. I'm going to have to get a bucket and scooper and feed these feathered pigs. Because, you know, we starve them. So I'm going to get a scoop and throw it out to them so I can walk. Oh. Look at these crazy goose. All right, I'm coming. Everybody in, let's go. Come on, keep on going. Let's go. This is just some of them. See, you would think I would starve them. I hear you, piggy pigs. So now I gotta find a bucket. And when my son does chores, buckets end up everywhere.